Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to level the horizon on your photo on your Samsung Galaxy device using Gemini. So tilted photos can ruin a great shot, but Gemini automatically detects its slanted horizons and straightens them. So whether it's a beach photo, skyline, or even a portrait where the camera was off balance, Gemini corrects it in one click. So Samsung also has a auto straighten feature, but Gemini integrates it seamlessly without requiring Samsung's camera app or the gallery. So here we have a picture which I've taken and the horizon is not level. So we'll go ahead and use Gemini to straighten this. So we'll go ahead and open up Gemini. We'll tap on the plus sign, gallery, go ahead and choose that image. Done. Now we'll go ahead and ask Gemini to level this. Level this photo to the horizon. And now, as you can see, it has leveled the horizon. So this basically gives you a balanced, professional looking photos every time with no need to manually drag lines or crop on your photos. So there you go guys, that is how to level horizon on your Samsung Galaxy device using Gemini.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.